Good day everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre for an update of your Sunday's conditions. On our futurecast, we see that it's going to be a cloudy day over the far eastern parts of South Africa as a high pressure system is still moving up the coastline. Lots of moist and cool areas pushing in just to the north of it. This will keep things cloudy and wet over much of Mpumalanga, Limpopo and KwaZulu-Natal for today. There's still a small chance for some showers along the southern coastline, but those will be clearing out this afternoon. And an upper air disturbance was going to bring with it a chance of thunder showers over Gauteng into Limpopo and Mpumalanga, as well as over the eastern Free State. We're expecting sunny skies for the Western and Northern Cape provinces, and along with that, a warmer day in the forecast. Now, there's between a 60 and an 80% chance of rain from Gauteng through Mpumalanga as well as much of Limpopo. A wet day over northern KwaZulu-Natal, but the southern parts of the province could see some clearance later on. Thunder showers developing over the eastern Free States as well, while along the eastern Cape coastal belt, there's just a 20% chance of light showers. The west coast, on the other hand, remaining dry. Now, it's going to be warm over northern South Africa for this afternoon, 26 for Mahikeng, 25 degrees for Uppington and Pretoria, and we're expecting a warm day as well near the western coastline, where Vredendal gets up to 27. Cool across the southern interior of South Africa, and a particularly cold day on the high veld of Mpumalanga, where maximum temperatures will be below 15 degrees for some places. Now, along the west coast, although it's going to be sunny and warm, winds are going to be picking up during the course of the afternoon, up to 50 kilometers per hour later on for Alexander Bay. Swells, on the other hand, will be gradually decreasing from 4.5 to 3.5 meters. And we're expecting very similar swell conditions around the Cape Peninsula and towards Cape Agulhas today. Moderate southeasterly winds are forecast, but becoming fresh around Table Bay during the later afternoon hours. Now, for the south coast, we're expecting light winds for Mossel Bay and Plettenberg Bay, southwesterlies over this area. Swells will start off fairly rough, but gradually decrease throughout the day. Fresh winds, on the other hand, in the forecast for Jeffreys Bay and Port Elizabeth. And finally, along the east coast of the country, moderate southwesterlies for Durban and Richards Bay. It's going to be a cloudy, cold and wet day for both of those areas. Fresh southwesterlies, on the other hand, affecting East London. Swells across this area, resulting in 3 to 4 foot breakers across the shore.
News that moves. eNCA.com.